Hi guys, my name is Precious. For those of you who are new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. So today's video is this awesome bronze eyeshadow look. I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this, and if you would like to see that, please keep watching.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
So first of all, I'll go ahead to prime my face, concentrating on my nose and my smile area, my smile line, because it tends to cake faster than the. And I'll go ahead with my foundation. I'm using the one from NYX. Can't stop. You guys must have seen this one a lot, so no point showing you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all
Then I'll go ahead to contour my face or highlight my face, and I'll be using these two concealers. This from my inner eye, the inner corner of my eyes to have for a brighter look, and this to conceal under my eyes.
ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I'll go ahead to contour my face using the Silk Contour Kit.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss.
I learned a new trick lately, so I'm just trying it out. So I'll go ahead with my brows. I'll do that off camera. So my brows are done, so I'll go ahead with my eyeshadow. For my outer corner, I'll be using this brown, very dark brown. Just blend that in. Then I'll go ahead with my blending brush, same shade, and drag it up. And I'll prime my eyes using this eye primer from Santi. Just apply this bronze eyeshadow. this shadow is so pigmented, very shiny. You just want to dab that on my eye. Now go ahead with this other part of the brush and just blend these two colors together. I'm done with my, I think everything. I've popped my lashes, done my lips. Sorry if the lighting is bad. It's currently dark, so I apologize for that. So I'll just go ahead and clean off the powder from my brows and set my face, and the look is done. Highlight from MAC and put that on my cheekbone. So the light just went out. No thanks to Nigeria. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you love it and you like to try it. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, my loves. Bye.